Yo, what up everyone? This is Brian Bracamontes, also known as Teleco760. Subscribe to or follow my YouTube channel, Twitch channel, and Instagram. Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's unboxing video is going to be on all the PC components that I've recently purchased for my very first ever PC build. We're going to do the case on this video. Stay tuned for all the other videos. They're going to be short clips. I just don't want it to be all 1 hour or 2 hour video, so I'm going to do it in parts, and then I'll do a separate video putting it all together, I guess, for the very first time. Anyways, the Phanteks case that I got was the Phanteks Eclipse P400A digital ATX mid-tower mesh front panel tempered glass digital RGB, and it was the black version. This one is currently going for $81.99, so it says $13 on Amazon. It's in stock right now. It is 4:14 p.m. October 24th, so it's going to change over time. So when you guys view it, it'll be different. I purchased it at $89.99, so like $90. But this is one of the cases that I've waited months for it to finally be in stock, so I got it as soon as it was in stock. Anyways, the boxes are over here, and I know for sure because it was the first thing that I ordered. The case is this big box right here. So I'm going to grab this, set it on the table. All right, remove my tablet. All right, so get my knife here. Let's get the unboxing done. So the link to this will be in the description below for every item that I purchased, and if I forget to do so, please mention it in the comments. Sometimes I get lazy or I just forget. So, all right, there we go. A box within a box. All right, let's put this knife away. So, here's that box. So this is the actual Phanteks case box. Let's get rid of the Amazon box. Alright, there's nothing else in the box, but I don't know what that is for. Not like it's a bubble wrap or anything. That's not going to do anything. Whatever, just put that in the back. Alright, so this is the Phanteks Eclipse P400 freaking case. It's all cardboard. Not really that fancy, but I don't really care. Cardboard's going in the garbage anyways. Alright, so I'll just open it from up top. This is open here. So, get my knife out. Alright. Stab. There we go. Yeah, for each little item, it's going to be a separate video, just the unboxing, and then there's going to be a separate video putting this PC together using this case. Alright, you guys can see that. Nothing else in here. A lot of recycling to do. Alright, styrofoam. Both sides. Styrofoam. Here's the case, wrapped in plastic. Nope, it's not wrapped, it's just in a bag. Alright. I like this better. I don't like having to rip the tape off or whatever, or look for wherever that little lip is so you can rip it apart. This is better. I could use this for something else, like garbage bag. Alright, so here's a PC case. And ooh, that's the magnetic filter thing up top. Right here, you guys can see that. I don't know too much about PC cases and stuff, so this is my first ever PC case. So this is like the filter for the top. It comes with fans. Yes, it does. I'm glad. It comes with 3 fans in the front. All right. On the side is tempered glass, I guess, like see-through, but it's like darker, kind of shaded. It's not clear glass. And there's it has please handle with care. Okay, it has this plastic covering thing. I'm not gonna take it off yet. Let's see. There's a power button or whatever. I don't know exactly if that's the power thing or just a thing to switch the colors on the fans. Comes with 2 Type A ports. Look, this is for a mic and a headphone jack. All right, turn it around. So that's where the fan in the back is gonna be. This is where your I/O ports are gonna come out. Let's see. I guess this is all like toolless for you guys to like open it apart and stuff. All right, let's check the bottom. Okay, so there's like a filter in the bottom too. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Filter in the bottom. I guess this is for where the PSU is gonna go right here in the fan. That's the filter for the PSU fan. There's the legs. Let's see, they're like almost an inch off the ground. So like it's a case, and the legs underneath, they're like almost an inch above the ground, so that there's more airflow basically. That's cool. And it's like it's not plastic. It's like metal. I don't know what kind of metal it is. You guys can look it up. It's on in the links. It says made in China. Everything's made in China. Anyways, let's open it up. This is my first PC case unboxing or whatever, so if I do not tell you guys all the details on this case, it will be on a deeper review of this case. But this is just an unboxing, so be patient. This is nice. Alright, so let's see. Kind of don't want to take this out, but alright, so they're like screws. It says handle with care, so I'll be careful. Alright, this is the bottom one, this is the top one, this is the top one, and this is the bottom one. Alright, so I'll put this right there. I don't want to lose any of the stuff. And I don't want to break this tempered glass. So I gotta be careful. What is it? Sideways or just pull it? Oh, okay. So yeah, you guys gotta hold on to it when you guys take it off. So there it is. There's that glass, and it looks like there's like strips on the outside to help for like when it's flush on here, so it doesn't scratch the glass, and also keeps dust out. Here's like the inside, so the PSU is gonna be on this side. Slip it through here. As you guys can see, PSU is gonna be in here. Slip it on that side. All right. There's like these where you can put the wiring and stuff through this. You guys could, oh, the fans are right here. Wirings. You guys could look it up on their website too, how they set everything up. I believe the PSU comes with like some zip ties and stuff, so I could like make the wiring more neater. Let's see if the back part comes off. I think it does. Yeah, that would be these screws over here. Are they finger screws, or do I need a flathead for this? I think so. It's kind of difficult to take off. I'm gonna need to use my tools for that. So the bottom one kind of comes off, not the top one. Yeah, this one's gonna be difficult. Let's see. Where's my little Phillips screwdriver? It looks like they don't come off completely, so you could just not lose any of the screws, and then I guess you pull it out. Oh, they do come out all the way. I thought they didn't. This top one is kind of difficult to take off. Alright, there we go. What's up? I'm doing an unboxing video, bro. Oh, snap. That is the back part of it. I have no idea what any of this stuff is yet, but they already have like Velcro zip ties on it. This is where like the hard drive goes. I'll probably have to pull it out from the... Nope, I gotta pull it out from here. Okay, that's how you pull it out. I'm gonna break this thing. Okay, so you close the little claws and you pull it up. Ah, there we go. That's where the hard drive goes, or SSD. Accessory box, Eclipse series. If you hear anyone in the background, it's my brother. His birthday today, so he can interrupt my video if you want. Accessory box. Yep, it comes with zip ties. So this bag comes with like screws and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5 zip ties. And then the instructions, and also what is this paper? Attention for RMA request technical support, blah blah blah. I'll keep that right there inside this box. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Stay tuned for the assemble of my PC build, I guess. I'll look for a title. I'll think of a title for it. You guys will see it. Just go to my YouTube channel, Ryan Bracamontes. It's this face. So, there is the case, you guys. If you guys want more details on it, I will do a separate video going more in depth. Probably not opening it up after I finish building it, but you guys could go online and look up all the description in Amazon for this case, and also their website. Just Google Phanteks and then search for the P400A digital RGB version, and to be exact, this is the black one, obviously. And look at all the details. So the motherboard is gonna be here, I guess, and I think I need to buy a separate fan to put here. We'll be good with 3 so far. I'll figure all this stuff out. I'm clueless about it. It's my first PC build. I'll probably get one of my friends to help me with the PC build since he has a PC. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna put all this stuff away, clean it up. Stay tuned for more videos. Okay, give me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe, and until next time, you guys.